Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a rainbow lollipop with a cute bow. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing a tiny circle right here. Next, draw a cute bow with two long ribbons hanging down. Wiggle, wiggle. Give those ribbons some flow. Now, let's make the lollipop. Start from the center and spiral outwards until you have a big round circle. Round and round we go, like a dizzy little snail. Time to add some patterns. Divide your lollipop into equal slices. Just like cutting a yummy pizza. Slice, slice, slice. Finally, draw the stick at the bottom, and we're done. Our sketch is finished. Now, let's bring it to life with some colors. Use bright yellow for the little circle in the middle of the bow. Color the rest of the bow with a pretty green. Stay inside the lines if you can, but most importantly, have fun. Now for the lollipop. Let's start with yellow for the very first inner layer. The next layer is going to be light green. Next up, let's use blue. Looking fresh. It's starting to look like a rainbow already. For the next layer, use a lovely purple. Ooh, so fancy. Purple is such a magical color. Followed by a sweet pink. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. This is looking sweet. Now, let's add a bold red. Watch out! Here comes a pop of energy. Next, fill it in with orange. Looking juicy. like a sweet orange treat. Let's start the pattern again with yellow. Back to the start. Can you remember the rainbow order? Of course, the next one is light green. Easy does it. Take your time, no need to rush. The next layer is blue. Sweep, sweep. Fill it all in with that lovely blue. Followed by purple. Almost there. You're doing an amazing job. And the last layer is pink. For the stick, let's use a soft light red. Gently now, just a little bit of color for our handle. Ta-da! It's finished! Our rainbow lollipop looks delicious, doesn't it? I wish I could take a bite. Great job, little artist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.